Former chairman of UNLF, Ningthimcha Sanayaima, stated that the state urgently requires political leaders who understand its history and are dedicated to its welfare. He highlighted the critical need for inter-community harmony and lasting peace among indigenous groups in Manipur. Speaking as the chief guest at the 48th Foundation Day celebration of Kwasify Youth's Volunteer Organization KYVO at Kwasify Mamang Community Hall, Sanayaima stressed that unified public voice is imperative to reform the current flawed political environment where mutual respect among communities has deteriorated. He urged the public to embrace a new political vision and emphasized the necessity of nurturing dedicated youth leadership capable of guiding the masses with a spirit of sacrifice. He cautioned that failure to do so would inevitably lead Manipuri society towards decline. As part of the Foundation Day program, KYVO felicitated outstanding local achievers from Kwasify, including successful candidates of civil services examination, medical students, high scorers and position holders of the recent Class 10 and Class 12 examinations. The meritorious students were honored with traditional lengyan, mementos and gifts to encourage their future endeavors. The event also included vibrant cultural showcases, including thangta performances by local students.
Meaning Sunday, young Lebanon, 2050, Manipur say, I don't know the problem when the soccer economy, how you should change I'm saying, can we hope an arrows in the party, everyone should be viable, normally, for that, I say, and young comes again.